All right, hey everybody. Hope that all is well. So wanted to take a look at the crypto bubbles today. Um, hmm, as you can see, a lot of red, a lot of red. I said this in my last couple of videos, actually, talking about the Bitcoin scenario. The fact that the market most of the time is going to do the opposite of what everybody expects. So even though I started going long on some trades and everything, by the time I realized, what, everybody is going long, the market's never going to make that many people right, especially not when it comes to margin trading. So we are right. We know where it's going up. But in terms of the margin trading, the leverage trading, they're going to wipe out the longs first, maybe create one more situation of pain, try to shake out a few more weak hands, and then it's going to be onward and upward, right? So anyway, so let's see here. Market cap and week. What do we got here? I just saw one for alt. Where was that? Okay, I saw one for alt. Let's see what's happening here. So this mainframe is kind of popping up for me here over the next couple of weeks. That could be something serious. It's popping up in my custom hybrid indicator. Take a look at mainframe. I mean, is this a time to buy? You better believe it. All-time high. Whoa. 0. This is mainframe Binance coin, by the way. Okay. So 99% drop. This is definitely where you want to pick up a coin. This is, like I said, in these types of buys, this is where, you could take a very small amount of money and turn it into an insanely large amount of money over time, right? A very small amount. For example, somebody who invested $500 here, that returns to its all-time high, 10,000%. Right? 500 could turn into 50,000 over time, right? So buying low, that's what it does. All right. If you look at it on the weekly, first things first, it's going to want to get back up and touch this green line, which at this time is like 150% away. So maybe in the coming weeks, look out for that from mainframe. Bitcoin has done precisely what I said that it could do in my previous videos, and I said the most important thing, we were looking for this level of support, this box. It's very important that we hold this box as support. This was such massive resistance here, and now here we are confirming. Look at this. Look at how many weekly candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 weeks, guys. 12 weeks battling with this area. Imagine that, right? And so now that we've gotten over it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is now 6 weeks staying above it. So, so it's important that this thing holds support. If we break it, then, like I said, we could easily be looking at 53 to 50,000 as a maximum pain event. But even if we were to come down to 50,000, guys, we would still be in an uptrend. That's important to remember. Even if we were to still come down to 50,000, we are still actually in an uptrend. See, from here, higher high, higher low. Another higher high. All right. So even if we came down here and still stayed above this support line, we're still in a bullish trend. On the bigger time frames, we're still very much in a bullish scenario. So nothing that I'm terribly concerned about in that respect. Okay. So, like I said, back to the crypto bubbles. Yeah. So for the week, let's see what our biggest Losers were OMG, FTM, okay, Curve. Okay, could we see one of these ones really pop back really strong? Let's OMG. Let's see what OMG is looking like. So a long time ago, I told you guys about OMG breaking out when it was like $11. We pretty much fulfilled it and got the 100% run, right? Went up here to $20. Now it's all the way back down to $10. So nice 50% drop from OMG. Good time to buy. Good time to buy. Look at OMG in terms of its cycle, guys. Back up to the 618, right? All the way up to the 618. That means, who knows? We could come all the way back down to the 0.23 level. If this thing comes down to $7 and change, back up the truck, guys. Back up the truck if it does that. That's a prime buying opportunity. So we see that OMG has almost completed its cycle in terms of going back to its all-time high, which means from here, not sure how much of a break we'll get, but pretty much from when it comes back down here, next stop is it's going to be going to the 786er to go back up to its all-time high. So look out for that from OMG, guys. Look out for that from OMG. Okay. Phantom has always been pretty strong. We've gone down beneath this area of this level of support. Why do I have this drawn? I am not sure. I don't see any previous data. I'm not sure why I had that line drawn. Okay, maybe because of this. Now, it's dipped below here, but let's see how this day and how this week actually closes, right? Let's see how it closes. Yeah. Let's see. We want to definitely see if we can. Well, this is encouraging right here. It's definitely an area of support. You see the top of these wicks right here. That's exactly where we got the bounce from. If we aren't held up here though, then we definitely could be seeing some further downside. So let's hope we hold around this area, or at least in the immediate short term, FTM could be coming to take a serious cool down. And it's not like we wouldn't be due a nice cool down, because look where we went. Pretty much 10x, right? 10x gains from its last big run. So for that to cool down 50% would not be unheard of. 50% takes us down to $2, right around here. Again, that's not out of the cards. So look out for that for FTM. Again, I like to find the ones that have dipped significantly, because that usually means a great buying opportunity. Tezos has been quiet. Normally when Tezos is quiet, it means it's gathering, getting ready to make another big move. So I would say definitely watch out for Tezos as well. Okay, so Tezos coming down for a major cool down here. Let's zoom out so we can see the big picture. So again, Tezos coming all the way up to the 618 and taking a significant dive. So could we see it right here at the 382? Let's see if we can hold some support here at 480, 490. And I think it would turn around and head back up pretty quickly if that happens. Otherwise, worst case scenario, I think, might be down here. I don't think so, but it's crypto. and it could happen temporarily, even if it's just for a short period of time. So watch out for that for Tezos. If it comes anywhere down here in this range, then definitely that's a buy. That's a buy. And Tezos normally recovers very quickly after Bitcoin causes the market to drop. So pay attention to that, guys. All right, so that's it in terms of my market update for these particular coins. I'm going to probably do a video or two on a few gaming coins that I think are going to turn out to be pretty decent. So until then, guys, thanks very much again, and see you on